Today we are going to solve this equation to find the x value. Solution: 4 to the power of x is plus 1 minus 4 to the power of x minus 1 equal to 5. 1 can be written as 2 minus 1. So we are applying here 4 to the power of x plus 2 minus 1 minus 4 to the power of x minus 1 equal to 5. Now 4 to the power of x, we are just changing this power, minus 1 plus 2 minus 4 to the power of x minus 1 equal to 5. We know the formula that a power m plus n equal to a power m into a power n. We are going to apply this here. This is m and this is n. So 4 power x minus 1 into 4 power 2 minus 4 power x minus 1 equal to 5. We are going to take common factor of 4 power minus 1, 4 power minus 1. 4 power x minus 1, 4 square minus 1 equal to 5. 4 power x minus 1, 4 square is 16 minus 1 equal to 5. So 4 to the power of x minus 1, 16 minus 1 is 15 equal to 5. Now 4 power x minus 1 equal to 5 by this 15 will come in the right hand side, in the division side, 15. So we have 4 power x minus 1 equal to, this is cancelling 1 by 3. So 1 by 3. Now 4 power x minus 1 equal to 1 by 3. We know the formula that a power m minus n equal to a power m by a power n. We are going to apply this here. So 4 power x by 4 power 1 equal to 1 by 3. 4 power x equal to, we are bringing this 4 in right hand side, that is in 4 by 3. Take a log on both sides. Log 4 power x equal to log 4 by 3. We are going to apply the power log formula here. Log m power p equal to p log m. We are going to apply here. So x log 4 equal to log 4 by 3. We know the formula that log a by b equal to log a minus log b. We are going to apply this here. So x log 4 equal to log 4 minus log 3. Divide by log 4 on both sides. X log 4 by log 4 equal to log 4 minus log 3 by log 4. This log 4 cancels this. So we have x equal to log 4 minus log 3 by log 4. So now we are going to separate this log 4 by log 4 minus log 3 by log 4. This log 4 cancels this. So x equal to 1 minus log 3 by log 4. We know the log formula that log a by log b equal to log a base b. We are going to apply this formula in previous step. That is x equal to 1 minus log 3 base 4. This is the x value. We are going to check with the equation of 4 power x plus 1 minus 4 power x minus 1 equal to 5. Now 4 power x value is 1 minus log 3 base 4 plus 1 minus 4 power 1 minus log 3 base 4 minus 1 equal to 5. So 4 power, this is 2 minus log 3 base 4 minus 4 minus log 3 base 4 equal to 5. We know the formula that a power m minus n equal to a power m by a power n. We are going to apply this formula here and here. So 4 power 2 by 4 power log 3 base 4 minus 1 by 4 power log 3 base 4 equal to 5. So 4 square is 16 by 4 power log 3 base 4 minus 1 by 4 log 3 base 4 equal to 5. We know the formula that a power log b base a equal to b. We are going to apply this here and here. So 16 by 3 minus 1 by 3 equal to 5. 16 minus 1 is 15 by 3 equal to 5. So 15 by 3 equal to 5. This cancels this. So this is 5. 5 equal to 5. So LH S equal to RH. Yes, thus verified.